Tēnā koutou katoa, te Reo-Trepeneurs of Tākina. Ko Moanaroa ahau, I am Moanaroa. Ko Moanaroa taku ingoa, my name is Moanaroa. Congratulations to you all for taking this first step with us here at Tākina. It's really, really awesome to see you here. To start us off, I'm going to roll these sessions just like a normal class, like I would in a normal class. So I always start my classes with karakia and waiata. So what I'll do is I'll get you to simply repeat after me and let's karakia. Let us pray. Kia inoi tātou. Kia taura ngā manaakitanga a te runga rawa ki tēnā o mātou e tau nei kia tūturu ōwhiti whakamaua kia tina huie tāikie. Awesome. So before I get into it, there are a few very essential things that you need to understand before we proceed the next 13 weeks. Here we have te papatukanga, also known as the creative process template. This is a very, very essential template because it has pretty much all of the processes that we use in the Tākina method. Firstly, if you look at the top, along the top of the papatukanga, we have 13 core comments, also known as tuiho. These tuiho we will be going over in the 13 weeks. There are 13 tuiho, there are 13 weeks. Every week we will be looking at the fundamental functions of these tuiho or core comments. What is a core comment, you may ask? A core comment kind of sounds like this: the who's, the what's, the when's, the where's, the why's, and the how's. So the core comment for this week, week 1, is why. Who? Now there's only one question that you really need to focus on this week, and it's who. Ka pai? So here we have the tohu kāwai. This tohu is the symbol of personification, and pretty much every response to that one question resides in this tohu. How awesome is that? Here we go. So on the first rung, we have proper names or place names. There are already some examples written in for you, but what I'm going to do is just give you an example of each rung. So the first rung, proper names, place names. Here's the question. It's who? Response simply being, it's Australia, it's America, it's Aotearoa. Give it a go. It's who? It's Australia, it's America, it's Aotearoa. The second rung, we have people's names, and there are how many people in this world with different names? So, people's names, there are 3 examples given: Jack, Jill, James. It's who? It's Jack, it's Jill, it's James. On the third rung, on the third rung, we have personal pronouns. So, here's an example. It's who? It's me. It's who? It's you. It's who? It's him or her. So what I'm going to do is give you an example of all the personal pronouns. Here we go. It's who? It's me. It's us two. It's us all. It's you. It's you two. It's you all. It's him or her. It's them two. It's them all. It's you and I. It's all of us. On the fourth rung, we have possessive pronouns. So things like, it's my mum, it's my dad, it's my nan, it's my cat. Here's an example using the possessive pronouns. It's who? It's my teacher, it's our teacher, it's all of our teacher. It's your teacher, it's your guy's teacher, it's all of your teacher. It's his or her teacher, it's their teacher, it's all of their teacher. It's mine and your teacher, it's all of our teacher. Get the gist? Hapai. On the last rung, we have pumo or noun starters. So here's an example using the noun starters. It's who? It's a teacher, it's some teachers, it's the teacher, it's the teachers, it's that teacher, it's those teachers, it's this teacher, it's these teachers, it's that teacher by you, it's those teachers by you, it's that teacher over there, it's those teachers over there. Awesome mahi e hoa ma. So we just ran through that mā te reo tuakana by way of the older voice or the English language. Now we're going to transfer this into te reo teina or the younger voice, also known as te reo Māori. So what's the one question? It's who, ko wai. Now instead of saying it's so-and-so, all we have to do is just say ko using all the responses on the tohu kāwai. So here's an example. It's who, ko wai. It's Australia, ko Australia. Get the gist? Ka pai. So now I'm going to run through all of these examples mā te reo teina by way of the younger voice or by way of the Māori language. Ko wai, ko Australia, ko America, ko Aotearoa. Ko wai, ko Jack, ko Jill, ko James. Ko wai, ko ahau, ko māua, ko mātou. Ko koe, ko kōrua, ko koutou. Ko ia, ko rāua, ko rātou. Ko tāua, ko tātou. In the previous example, we did use teacher, so teacher, kaiako. Here we go, using the possessive pronouns. Ko wai, ko taku kaiako, ko tā māua kaiako, ko tā mātou kaiako. Ko tāu kaiako, ko tā kōrua kaiako, ko tā koutou kaiako. Ko tāna kaiako, ko tā rāua kaiako, ko tā rātou kaiako. Ko tā tāua kaiako, ko tā tātou kaiako. Ka pai, and the last rung, using the noun starters, also using the same example of the teacher or kaiako. Here we go. Ko wai, ko tētahi kaiako, ko ētahi kaiako, ko te kaiako, ko ngā kaiako, ko taua kaiako, ko aua kaiako, ko tēnei kaiako, ko ēnei kaiako, ko tēnā kaiako, ko ēnā kaiako, ko tērā kaiako, ko ērā kaiako. Okay, hoa ma. Now it's time to taki up. Taki simply meaning to recite, hence the word takina, recite, ne? So, taki is a tool for fluency and for vocab. So the rationale for this is actually for you to develop your fluency and to develop your vocab. So I'm going to do this mā te reo tuakana by way of the older voice, so doing all of the English first, then mā te reo teina by way of the younger voice, all in te reo Māori. Ka pai? So what I want you to do is consider the time it's going to take for you to recite the English and the Māori. The more you keep timing yourself, every time you do it, you need to time yourself. And I want you to kind of watch that time get smaller and smaller over the weeks. So don't worry if it takes you 20 minutes to taki up. Ka pai? Just remember, week 1, day 1. Got to get started. Okay, here we go. Taki up, mā te reo tuakana. It's who, it's Australia, it's America, it's Aotearoa. It's Jack, it's Jill, it's James. It's me, it's us two, it's us all. It's you two, it's you all. It's him or her, it's them two, it's them all. It's you and I, it's all of us. It's mine, it's ours, it's all of ours. It's yours, it's all of yours. It's his or hers, it's theirs, it's all of theirs. It's mine and yours, it's everyone's. It's a, it's some, it's the, it's that, it's those, it's this, it's these, it's that by you, it's those by you, it's that over there, it's those over there. Now mā te reo teina by way of the younger voice, or te reo Māori, here we go. Ko wai, ko Australia, ko America, ko Aotearoa, ko Jack, ko Jill, ko James, ko ahau, ko māua, ko mātou, ko koe, ko kōrua, ko koutou, ko ia, ko rāua, ko rātou, ko tāua, ko tātou, ko taku, ko tā māua, ko tā mātou, ko tāu, ko tā kōrua, ko tā koutou, ko tāna, ko tā rāua, ko tā rātou, ko tā tāua, ko tā tātou. Ko tētahi, ko ētahi, ko tē, ko ngā, ko taua, ko aua, ko tēnei, ko ēnei, ko tēnā, ko ēnā, ko tērā, ko ērā.